Warm weather means wet ground. Some super warm weather again.
And then tomorrow's gonna be the warmest day.
Yeah.
And guess what? This is a perfect day to wear shorts. Whoa.
Friends who are in Toronto, how are you feeling? I saw that y'all are still in the minuses. I'm stupid. Anyway, I just got a quick trip into Walmart. I need some cosmetics.
What are cosmetics?
Makeup stuff. And some toiletries. And maybe I could browse the home.
You clothes for school?
What?
Can we get some clothes for school?
No.
Why not?
What kind of clothes you want?
It's pink.
I had one of these little Conair blow dryers when I was in college. It is so powerful. And I lent it to somebody one time and then gave me back my shop. After I had it for years, you know. What that mean? Organic. Get me a regular pad. Maybe I should just get one of these. Get one of this.
What about this one?
No. No, ma'am. We're gonna get one of the big ones that'll last.
These ones?
Yeah. Or you know, I could try to equate.
Wait, can we at least use this one?
Can we try that one, please? Smelly fish is smelling thing. Will it good now?
I can't smell anything.
Oh no. Poor thing.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah.
I can
could try it.
I can at least smell a little.
Yeah, this one costs twice as much. Baby.
squishy.
What's squishy?
That.
Oh, I want to ride. But not, they trying to figure it out business.
I think this one's right.
If it tough, it not right.
Are they supposed to be squishy?
Let's try this one.
Cookie Dough Bites birthday. I really want that, but sad. Look how good those look.
We're just doing a quick little pick me up at the supermarkets. Not too many things. What's this bun? Why? What's happened to this bun?
We're not using.
Why?
No.
What that mean?
We use the Dilanio or something. We need more bread.
I don't know.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in
I want egg.
love.
There's no egg.
Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Not necessary.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
Mr. Beast, the richest man in the world.
Friends in Manitoba, I have a question for you. For the last couple of years, I've gotten one of these in the mail like once a year. And it's a travel guide. It says 26-27 inspiration guide. So it's all about Manitoba and places that you should visit and things that you could do. You know, I mean, good stuff. I have two questions. So question one is, do you folks in Manitoba get one of these from Sask in your mail? Or maybe it's another province. Tell me, do you get one of these in your mail? That's question one. And question two, I wonder what the strategy is, right? Because I'm assuming that there is some sort of strategy towards where this goes. Like, they're not just printing millions of these or hundreds of thousands of these, right? So I'm trying to figure out what the demographic is that leads this to my mailbox every year. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, what kind of group? Like, what is the group? What is the target that lands me on their mail list every year? Do they just like send a bunch out to, you know, areas and say send them out until they're done? I'm very interested, because this is smart. You know, this is smart. I don't know if I've planned a whole vacation to Manitoba, but you know, should I happen to want to, I'm prepared. I have a few ideas about what I would like to do. So things are warming up. The daytimes are above zero. At nighttime it drops below zero, but the daytimes are above zero. And I can see buds on the trees. The first day of spring has already passed, but we're in Sask. So the place is warming up slowly, and there's probably another month to 2 months of breezy weather. The snow's all dried up, but the other day it snowed. So like, was it Saturday or something? It snowed, and then by the next day it all melted. So we're not sure where it's not staying. Like, snow is not staying on the ground anymore. So that's good. Does a lot for my spirits. I've got all this writing to do. I'm gonna try and wait until, well, I'm not gonna try, I'm gonna wait until I'm alone to do it, because I need to like tap into my creative spirit or whatever. So I'm working on something. Yeah, and I've never taken like a creative writing. That's not true. Maybe I did once years ago. Some sort of creative writing, and despite, you know, having a blog, which is now being transitioned, as well as writing a novel and books, I can't say that I've had anybody directing me on my creative writing before. And I'm doing that now, and it's kind of fun, you know, just getting feedback on how to write, and you know, building that on top of what my natural instinct is when I write. Anyway, that's all I can tell you. I will let y'all know when the final product is available. But that's what I'm working on, and I'm having fun with it. what else is going on? I have plans in my head. I have a lot of plans swirling in my head for something that I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I will ask you this. If you are in task, and if you're in the city that I'm in, let me know if you would be interested in a get together, right? Like, don't, I'm not gonna tell you what kind of get together just yet, but two things. If you're close to me, right, and you'd be interested in something like that, and two, if you are interested in my blog, like if that's an interesting thing for you. So I know that not everybody that watches the vlogs are interested in my blog, but at the same time, the vlog is an extension and or a late follow-up to the blog, right? So you might be interested in one, you're not interested in the other, you might be interested in both, I don't know. You can let me know. If you are, head on over to Instagram and send me a message. I'll be checking my request inbox ever so frequently since I've asked you this question. So go ahead and do that and let me know, and we'll see what can happen, because I am planning something, right? I'm excited to see what it could be. Let's leave it at that, right? Anyway. I'm also trying to plan a vacation. Baby, the flight, I'm not flighting. The flights are not flighting. It has gotten significantly more expensive to leave this place. I'm aggravated. Just like, I'm aggravated. Like, it's getting a little ridiculous. You know what I mean? Not even just in terms of it being expensive. I mean, like the layover, the flight just being completely horrendous. I'm over it. I'm over it. Anyway, so there's that, and yeah, just chilling, going into the spring, going into warmer weather. Everybody's happy. Spring out. Anyway,
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe.